Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath there is that thumbs up. It's important on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants grow on this platform. So I'm thanking you so much in advance. All right, really excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys. I just got a package from IPSY. This is my paid plus, which means I got to choose 3 items out of the 5 full-size items that are in here. And the 2 that they chose for me, I'm over the moon about. And I've already shared that with you guys because a lot of us get together during the month when we have the choices. I share those with you guys as well as the add-ons. All the sales that come up that I'm able to know about because there are so many, then I want to shop. Then if it looks something interesting, I end up filming that with you guys as well. And I'm loving the community that we've created on True Wants because we're sharing with each other our finds, what we like, what we're not liking. And it just makes the shopping experience even better because we know the deals are already there. So, like I said, this is a monthly box. It is $25 a month. It comes with 5 full-size items. This bag is going to be going up, I think, by $3 or so. It's starting October 1st. So if you want to lock in, you can, contact customer service that you want to sign up for a year ahead of time. But with IPSY, you have to pay for the full year to get that. I did not do that in reference to the plus bag, but I did do it with the regular bag that is $12, and that one's going up to $13. So really excited about this. So this one here comes with these really cute toggle pull bags. They are a lightweight fabric, but these are so great to put in if you do a lot of masks and you want to have a place to store them, or if you're traveling and you want your hair clips or hair accessories. That's what I've been using these, and I'm finding I'm getting more use out of these than I thought. And the patterns that they're choosing are so fantastic. That's why you want it. And this is never part of the count of the 5 items. We get this for free. You get a bag in the Glam bag and you get the pouch in the plus. And I think that's always a nice little extra feature that they do. Inside the bag, you get a card. Sometimes the card has information. I'm finding with the plus it doesn't. So what I always do, and I've been doing it for a long time, is I have my notes here, because sometimes in the notes they also have some extra discounts on the website, and when I get that, I like to share that with you guys, and I try to put all this information in the description box down below. As my channel is growing, I'm getting discounts and stuff. I just got a fantastic discount. If you're interested in the Look Fantastic advent calendars, I'm new to this whole advent calendar. And as soon as they asked me if I wanted a discount for my channel, I said absolutely. And it's like a $20 discount. So I started dabbling a little bit of looking at advent calendars, and it is so huge in the UK. And a lot of the boxes are only UK, but there are some in the US. So I'm starting to look into that a little bit. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below, but they all seem to be like $100 or more. So a $20 discount, I think, is fantastic. And you can find that in the description box down below. It's not an affiliate code. It's just for the channel, which I thought was very nice. All right. So, because they apologized that they couldn't send, there was only a short version, and I'm new to getting periodically products from Look Fantastic as well as Glossy Box. So the advent calendar, I think I might be getting one from Glossy Box. I'm keeping my fingers crossed because that will be my first one. Like I said, we do have that $20 discount if you're looking for the Look Fantastic. And the picture that they showed me, it had drawers and things. It looks so amazing. So anyways, let me get into what we're talking about today, which is the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. But I always want you guys to make sure that you check the description box, because as I get discounts or codes or anything like that, I share that with you guys because I'm a consumer too. So, that code works for me as well as it works for you. And like I said, that $20, there's no affiliation, not that it would matter, but I just want you to know that. Okay, so this is the September Glam Bag Plus. So the first item that they chose for me is from Laura Geller. And I shared with you guys, let me read everything and then I'll give you my input on this. This is the Laura Geller's the Bake and Balance and Brighten Color Correcting Foundation in the shade Medium. This is a $34 value on its own, and this is in a $25 bag. That's why I think these bags, even at $28, are an absolute steal. So this is a foundation, but it's a powder foundation. It says, think of it as a color correcting meets foundation. This is a cream formula that brightens and balances your medium skin with a neutral undertone while providing buildable and long lasting coverage. You apply it all over your face using a foundation brush. It's cruelty free. It's never tested on animals. And the makeup artist, Laura Geller, she feels that it was created to help everyone feel special, whether it is the weekday or their wedding day. So this one here, I don't know why they're saying solely a cream, because I should be saying cream to powder, because that's what's unique about this. So when I learned about this product line, and I learned about it through the shopping channels, and this was actually one of the first products that I got introduced to. Way before the boxes, I had the opportunity, when I lived in Canada, it was called the Shopping Channel, so original. And down here in Florida, they have QVC, HSN, they have another channel too. And I used to watch them all the time because my hours were so crazy. We do a lot of overseas, so sometimes we have to be up like at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning and things like that. So that's what kept me entertained, and it sucked me in because I got to try a lot of products. And they had products that they did that were, now there's boxes like A1A that does it, that is solely the one brand for one day. They have a whole array of products at a certain price. It's also, it was way before boxes. And to me, I think what intrigued me with boxes. So this one here has a little mirror on the inside here. And the story that I know about this Laura Geller is I think she started out as a makeup artist for weddings. And then she started creating products in Italy. And that's where I think this product is made. Started in New York, it doesn't, yeah, made in Italy. And this whole story on this is they are baked. So it starts off on a terracotta little disc. It goes on, like she said, with a cream that they mix all these formulas together, and then they bake it. So when you're putting it on and you're a combo girl, you're getting the feel of a powder, but you're getting the hydration of all the creams. So it is so fantastic. And because of the mix of the colors, you're really getting it so that because our faces aren't just one color. That's why when we put on one color foundation, we darken up with foundations and we darken it up with bronzers and all that stuff, is to give us that other dimension. This I can wear on its own. If I just am running to the grocery store, it's 1, 2, 3 with a powder brush and I'm done. So it is so pretty. I am so intrigued with this. It is lightweight, but it does give you the coverage. I am like so intrigued by this. I am so excited to have this back in my arsenal. I used to have an entire drawer filled with her products. So now that we got it in the box, when it came to a choice for another item, you'll see another one from Laura Geller in here, because it was my favorite blush for the longest time, and it was available as one of my choice items. So this is the first guy that they chose for me. The second item that was chosen for me is from another brand that I'm enjoying so much, and it is called UOMA. And this one here is their Afro Disiac liquid eyeliner in Blackety Black Y'all. It is an $18 value. It is full size. Everything in this bag is. It is a liquid eyeliner. It says you can dial up the intensity with this super pigmented jet black liquid liner. The formula is a water resistant, so it will last for hours and hours. And the ultra precise felt tip makes it easy to create the kind of line or wing with ease. It says apply it to the base of your upper lashes using a light touch for fine lines, and use it a firmer to get that thicker line. It's 100% cruelty-free and vegan too. And the founder of this brand is a Nigerian-born former beauty executive, Sharon Shooter. And the UOMA beauty range is rebellious, innovative, and created for all. I know she's now also has a less expensive line of her line, and it still says UOMA, but I think it says UOMA by Sharon, which is the creator's name, available at Walmart. This one here, I've had the opportunity to try their mascara in the $3 section, and I was so blown away, and I told you guys all about it. So I'm so excited that they chose another product for me from this brand. Wow. Okay, that is black. It is so black. The felt tip went on like so easily, and it's also the type that glides. So it has a little bit of flexibility to it, so you'll be able to do an easy line and then an easy flick at the end. I am really excited to have the opportunity to try this. Okay, now we're into the items that I have the opportunity to pick. In IPSY Plus, they give you maybe 4 or 5 items and you get to choose from those, and then you get 3 sections like that. So the first one that I had the opportunity to choose, I love that they're coming in these boxes, because when I used to get those big fantastic deals from like the QVC, HSN shopping channels, they never came with the boxes. They always came alone like this. So really excited that even if you want to give this to a gift to somebody, it's coming in the full retail box. And this is called the Baked Blush and Bright, and it is a marbleized blush, so it has the same concept as the foundation, which I'll open up and show you. And this one is in the shade called Tropical Hues. This is a $28 value on its own. It is a full size, and it says, with stunning swirls of gold, coral, and pink liquid pigments, this blush and brighten is baked for 24 hours and then hand finished in Italy into a silky dome of powder that instantly lights up your complexion. You can use a blush brush to apply the powder onto the apples of your cheeks, blend up towards your hairline as you go. It is 100% cruelty free. And like we said, we already talked about Laura Geller. So that is what the product looks like here. This top area, I don't know if I mentioned that it has her name on it here. It has a mirror on the inside, which is absolutely fantastic. And then underneath here, let's see if this opens up. No, I used to think that there used to be a powder puff underneath, but I guess not anymore. All right, so this is what this looks like here. This is the look at those colors. Could you see? It is just gorgeous. So it ends up being that perfect color on your cheeks. So it has everything. It has the pink, it has the coral, it has a bit of a highlighter to it. It is just gorgeous. Look at this color. So beautiful. Like I said, I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try this. All right, the next item that I chose for myself, and this ended up being a little bit smaller, and usually end up feeling a little bit larger, but I should have known because essences are so expensive. This is from this brand called Vega. It is an original skin essence toner, and it is chamomile. And this one is a $50 value. This is 100 ml. It is the full size. It is a toner, and it is calm your complexion with post cleanse while prepping your skin for serums and moisturizers with this toner. Use it as a blend of antioxidant rich and skin soothing ingredients like aloe vera juice, chamomile, and it says apply to a cotton pad and then swipe over your face post cleanse. It's 100% vegan, which means the formula has no animal derived fillers. This is Vegan by Happy Skin, was created in 2021. So we're being introduced to a brand new brand with leading natural skin care experts to bring effective alternatives to the conventional scientific ingredients. So excited about that. The only thing I'm going to recommend, and I do this with all my essences, with toners, I use a cotton pad so that I can take off, get my pH balance to where it needs to be after I've cleansed. However, with essences, what I do is I put a couple of drops in my hand, I pat it together, and then I pat it in. I find when I use cotton rounds with essences, I'm losing a lot of it, and these are so expensive that you don't want to do that. And then whatever's extra, drape it down your neck, put it on your décolleté. I love essences, and if you're not familiar with the essence, you just use it the step right after your toner, and if you don't do toner, then it's right after your cleanser, but it's before your serums, because what essences do is they're magical. It's a K-beauty trick that's been around for generations, and we just were never doing it here in North America. But when I found out about it through Tatcha, what ended up happening was when I used it, the ingredients of everything else that I put on my skin was going deeper. And I found I was seeing results with my skincare a lot quicker. And the only thing I changed was putting an essence on. So if you have the opportunity to try essences in boxes, grab it because it is an expensive product. Then the last item is one, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I couldn't let this not become one of my picks. It is from this brand called Contact Skin. I got introduced to this brand through IPSY in the $3 section, and I picked up a bunch of lipsticks, and then I couldn't stop talking about them every time I was sitting down in front of the camera because I was so blown away. And then when I went on the website, they were $20 lipsticks that we were getting the full size for $3 in the IPSY connection that we have in the add-ons. So when I saw that there was another one for me to try and it was a color that I didn't have, I had to grab it. And this is, they call them matte lipsticks, but the matte, it still feels like a cream sensation. That's what the other matte ones felt like to me. We'll have to swatch this and see. But what it doesn't have a gleam to it. So it's fantastic if you're going to do a lot of talking and you don't want to have gloss on. that's what I found. I fell in love with these. I also had the opportunity to try in the $3 section of the lip balms, and I share that with you guys as well because I'm so blown away with that one too. So the color that they chose for me is called In Love Gun. The value of this is $20. Like, and that's why I say if you see these in the $3 section, you're not getting the mini version, you're getting the full size. It says, don't mind the misprint. We promise this lipstick is full size. They're saying this is a soft matte lipstick that helps nourish. Oh, because it says product type, it says lipstick. It should say, no, that's what it should say. Oh, they have the size. They don't have the size here. Don't mind the misprint. Okay. This is a soft matte lipstick that helps nourish, comfort, and hydrate lips with delivering long-lasting, non-drying color. Swipe it on your bare lips or wear it over your favorite lip pencil. It's vegan and cruelty-free. And they're saying if you love clean beauty, then you will love Contact Skin. It is their line of skincare products that are derived from all natural ingredients. I am so blown away just by the lipstick and the lip balms. If there's anything else from this brand that we have the opportunity to try at these IPSY prices, I am gonna grab it. That is how it is. See how the divot goes? It even makes it so easy to apply. It is so, so beautiful. And let's do a little swipe here like I do. I do a one swipe and then I'll do it over here. I do it a little bit darker because a lot of times I will be putting it on like, you know, more than one swipe, and that's how deep it would become. So you can have it a little bit sheerer, but not by much. And then that's the color there, which is just gorgeous. I am so impressed with this brand. And like I said, it goes on so creamy, yet you will get that non-glossy look to it. And that's what it means by matte. But it still feels to me like a satin type of, it doesn't go on feeling like a matte. It feels like a creamy formula, but you will not get that glossy shine to it like a satin lipstick would. And that's what I think they mean by matte. I was going to stay clear of it because of the word matte, and then I checked my previous ones and those were matte as well. So like I said, the more we play, the more we know we can share, and that's what I choose to do on this channel. So thank you so much to everyone that is joining me and is enjoying my knowledge that I'm having the opportunity to share with you in reference to the brands that I've had the opportunity to try. I try so much because I'm a girl who loves makeup, skincare, fashion. I'm just intrigued by it all. And I find the ingredients are getting better and better, and the results that we're getting are better and better. And I think as we age, you know, we use things to help enhance, but you also want to make sure that it doesn't hide. So you want to make sure, like when I got into makeup, it was because my skin wasn't great, and you know, you wanted to hide your pimples and you wanted to hide. And a lot of us still have these issues as we age, and sometimes it's discoloration and whatever. But as soon as you put on a little bit of makeup, be it just a lipstick or maybe a mascara or just a skin tint, something that makes you feel that you can grab the world with both hands, that's what makeup does for me, and it makes me feel like I'm ready to take on a little bit more. So hopefully that's what it does for you as well, and that you join me because you enjoy all of this as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you all again soon in my next video. Make sure if you've had the opportunity to try any of these products, share in the comments, because that's my lifeline to you guys. That's your voice that we all listen to in the comments. We all read each other's comments and we share, and that's what it's all about. So take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.